We have celebrity chef Mark K.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I'm here at our flagship location in Thornton. And I had a great question on our YouTube channel. What do I use the crisper drawer for? Does that thing even work? And that's a good question. So let's check it out. I've got a GE refrigerator here, and here's a pretty typical crisper drawer setting. Fruits and vegetables. And what does this thing do, and does it really work? And the answer is, it does work. It works great, and it has a couple of functions. First off, the way it physically works is you can see that these vent holes here. And these vent holes close off as you put it towards vegetables, and they open up more when you put it towards fruits. And the reason you want to have it open, and on the fruit side, when you have fruit in there, is it allows ethylene gas that builds up when you have fruit to escape. And that keeps your vegetables from ripening too quickly. On a side note, you should never put your bananas in the refrigerator because they have a lot of ethylene gas and can make all of your fruits and vegetables inside your refrigerator, regardless of what they are, ripen very, very, very quickly. So another side note is if you have some avocados that are really too ripe, throw them in a bag with a banana and that'll ripen them quite right up. So that's why we have that fruit setting. Back to this. We have it on fruit, opens up the vents, allows some more air, but most importantly helps get that ethylene gas to escape. If you're going on to the vegetable side, it's going to maintain more moisture in there. The moisture that's in your vegetables, let's say, what do I like to put in my crisper drawer in the vegetable setting? My lettuces, my fresh herbs, particularly soft herbs like parsley or tarragon. I find that peppers, I actually kind of prefer to have my peppers outside of the refrigerator, maybe on the top drawer, because I find that if you put peppers, like a red pepper or a green pepper, they tend to get really soft very quickly. If I have things like lemons and limes, I actually like to put them on the vegetable setting because they'll last a long time. They kind of get dried out a little bit. And if I'm going to have them in there a long time, I don't want them getting soggy. You know, they can kind of over-ripen. So again, I've got my vegetable setting, I've got all my lettuces, I've got my celery, I've got my carrots in here, and then over here, I'm going to set it on the fruit side, and I might have cantaloupe and my apples in there, but not my bananas, and I like to put my peppers up on the top shelf. So hopefully that explains the difference here in the crisper drawer, and at least how I prefer to handle my crisper drawer in my refrigerator when I'm cooking at home. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory.